Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are a first timer, then welcome. Today I am going to be showing you guys how to do a quick and easy 5-ingredient oatmeal. This is my go-to breakfast slash lunch when I do not have a lot of time. It literally takes like 10 to 15 minutes max to throw everything together. This is going to be vegan. Honestly, you can add whatever you want to this recipe, bananas, apples, anything you want, but this is how I'm doing it because I'm trying to be healthy. So we have some ground cinnamon here, we have some coconut milk, this is my oats, this is fine oats, and this oats you can actually have raw with just milk and stuff. Soak it overnight and it's good to go. It's like instant oats. And here we have some artificial vanilla. There's a little Jamaican flag. I don't exactly know if that was made in Jamaica, but hey. And we have some honey here. Okay, so first things first, you're going to need a pot of water. This is about a cup, maybe a cup and a half of water. And I am going to add my coconut milk to the water while it's boiling. So I'm going to put about half this can, which is 200 ml of coconut milk, into the water. So that's the coconut milk. It's kind of solid, which is expected. That's normal. So what I'm going to do is take some out. Actually, turn this down to medium. I took some of the cream and now I'm going to add half of the liquid, as you guys can see. Perfect. So while I'm waiting for the milk and water to come to a boil, I'm going to add about a teaspoon of cinnamon. So that's what it looks like, and I'm just going to wait for it to come to a boil. Then I'm going to go ahead and add my oatmeal when that's happening. So give it about 3 minutes. It's on high. Once it comes to a boil, then I'll put it to medium and show you guys. So that's boiling, so we're going to go ahead and add in about a cup and a half of the oats. And then we are going to stir, okay? Turn that down to medium. Honestly, I like my oats a little bit runny because I put this in the fridge. This is about 3 servings. So I don't really like to make it very, thick. And then once it's time to reheat, I have to add like a crap ton of milk to get it smooth again. So I try to keep it as thin as possible, but obviously not too watery. So now that I have stirred this, I'm literally going to give it about 3 minutes because I want to keep as much of the nutrients in as possible. And then I am going to finish off with my vanilla and my honey. So I'm going to actually put that on low because I don't exactly need it on medium. And yeah, I'll be back with you guys in a second. So it's been 3 minutes, you guys. Now I am going to add a splash. I really like vanilla, so maybe a little bit more of vanilla. Incorporate that. And then I am going to add some honey. Okay. That's probably about 2 tablespoons, I would say. Not a whole lot because I don't really like my stuff overly sweet, sugar, especially when we're trying to be healthy. But yeah, you can turn the heat off now, and this is basically the finished product. Fast and easy, literally 10 minutes max, and you have basic delicious oatmeal. And voila, there is what it looks like. Yummy. But there you go, guys, fast and easy 10-minute oatmeal. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and subscribe. I would be very thankful. And yeah, what do you guys think of my 5-minute oatmeal or 10-minute oatmeal? How do you guys make your oatmeal? There's 1,000,001 ways to make oatmeals. This is just one version for me, as I said, fast and easy and healthy. Anyways, thanks again for watching my video, guys, and until next time, stay awesome.